Good morning, students. Our next topic is construction of triangles. Now, before we learn how to construct the triangles, let us revise some of the properties of these triangles. Now see, first point. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal in measure to the sum of interior opposite angles. Second point, the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Third point, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Number 4, in any right angle triangle, the square of the length of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. This we have done in our chapter number 6 and 7. Is it clear? Let us start with our exercise 10.2, question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 cm, YZ is equal to 5 cm and ZX is equal to 6 cm. So first what you will do? You will draw a rough figure. See here, XYZ. YZ is equal to 5 cm, XY is equal to 4.5 cm and XZ is equal to 6 cm. Now first what you will do? You will draw line segment YZ of 5 cm. Now see, from 0 to 5. See, this is Y, Z and right here 5 cm. Now we have to construct XY. Now see, the measure of XY is given 4.5 cm. Open your compass, take the measure 4.5 cm. See. Now with center Y, see here, center Y, and draw an arc. Like this way, draw an arc. Okay. Now the measure of XZ is 6 cm. Now again open your compass and take 6 cm. See. Now with center Z, cut this, draw an arc and cut this the previous arc. See. Now this point of intersection is X. Now join X, Y and X, Z. And now write the measure is here. XY is equal to 4.5 cm and XZ is equal to 6 cm. Clear? Question number 2. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 cm. Now equilateral triangle means all the three sides equal. That means the measure of three sides is 5.5 cm. First what you will do? We will see here the rough figure is done. We will draw the baseline, that is BC of 5.5 cm. See, here is 5.5 cm. Now with compass take 5.5 cm. See, B C 5.5 cm with center B. Draw an arc like this way. Same measure with center C. cut the previous arc and name this point of intersection as A. Now join AB and AC. 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. See, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now question number 3 and question number 4. This is your homework. Now you see, in question number 3, two sides are equal, PQ and PR. That means there is an isosceles triangle. And question number 4, after constructing the triangle ABC with the given measure, you will measure angle B with the protractor. Okay. Here also you will write the steps by your own. Exercise 10.3, question number 1. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm and measure angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. So first what we will do? We will draw the base, that is DE of 5 cm. Then next at D you will construct 90 degree angle. Now how you will draw? With center D and any radius, like this way you will make an arc. Then with center here, again you will cut an arc here. Then again with this you will make an arc. Then again with center here and with center here you will make an arc. Then you will join this line DA, that is perpendicular line DA. Now what is given? DF is equal to 3 cm. Now what you will take? You will take the scale and you will take 3 cm like this way. Now with center D like this way, and you will cut this perpendicular line DA of 3 cm. That is our point F. Now you will join F and E like this way. So this is our triangle DEF. Understood? Question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which lengths of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Now no name is given. So let us give the name PQR. Now see, isosceles triangle. Two sides equal and the angle between them is 110 degree. So first what you will do? We will draw the base QR of 6.5 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor, you will take 110 degrees. See, this way. At Q, you will put this center point and from here 0. Start taking the measure from here and 110 degrees. See. Now put a mark. Then draw Q and this mark and give the name Y. Now this is QY. Now 6.5 centimeter equal side. Now with the help of compass and this scale, take 6.5 centimeter and with center Q here. Cut this arc here, make an arc, okay, of 6.5 centimeter. Now and give here name P. Now with the help of the scale, join PR. So our required triangle PQR is ready. Okay. Steps of construction you will write by your own. Now question number 3 is your homework. Exercise 10.4, question number 1. Construct triangle ABC. Given measure angle A is equal to 60 degree, measure angle B is equal to 30 degree and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Now see, rough figure I have drawn here. Now first what you will do? You will draw the base AB of 5.8 centimeter. 5.5, 6, 7, 8. This way you will draw. A, B and 5.8 centimeter. Here I will show how to draw 60 degree and 30 degree with the help of compass. Now first measure angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So put the center at A and with any radius draw an arc. Like this way draw. Now with center here make an arc. Now join this. Give here Y. This is 60 degree. Now you can check with the help of protractor. See, this is 60 degree. See, right here 60 degree. Next, now measure angle B is 30 degrees. So what you will do? First you will draw 60 degree and then you will bisect it. Bisect means you will divide it. So first see an angle of 60 degree. Like this way you will draw. Now how to bisect it? Now with center here make an arc here. Okay. Now with the center here again make an arc here and with the center here cut this arc, previous arc here. Now you can join this. Like this way, okay, and give this name as X. Now first let us check whether it is 30 degree or not. Now see, this is 30 degree. Now the point of intersection YA and XB, this is, we name it as C. Okay. Now ABC, this is our required triangle. Understood? This way you will draw with the help of compass. Let us continue further in our next class.